and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Milwaukee, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Cedarburg, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Jackson, Slinger, Bayside, Stevensville, Germantown, Oklahoma. Turn around, don't drown by encountering flooded roads. Storms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Milwaukee, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Jackson, Slinger, Bayside, Stevensville, Germantown, Okochee Lake, Glendale, and Oconomowoc. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Your mind now. Here's a breaking ball in there for a strike.